Metapixel is a pivotal tool for any business owner with a website, allowing you to measure, optimize, and build targeted audiences and measure the effectiveness of marketing efforts. Essentially, it's a piece of code added to a website to help you better understand the actions visitors take. Once you have set up Metapixel, it's time to start using it. Before we get into the technicalities, note that there is coding involved in this process. If you have no experience with website code or are easily overwhelmed by the technical side of your website, we highly recommend using a CMS or web developer to help you. Now, let's start to understand the jargon involved in tracking user interactions on your website. The term events means actions that your website visitors make while browsing your website. There are a number of predefined Facebook events for you to track. These actions include purchases, views, searches, and many more basic actions. To track these standard events, you can use Metapixel's track function. Say, if you want to track when a visitor has completed a purchase event, you can see here the event name, description, object, properties in the code, and object value. If we want to measure purchases on our website, we can start by going to our Pixel code and adding the following line of code anywhere between your web page's opening and closing head tags. First, we write opening and closing script tags. In between these tags, we add the JavaScript code for our tracking function. Let's break this down together. All tracking functions are implemented with the code FBQTrack within the brackets. We can add an action to track. For example, to track when a user adds a product to their cart, we can enter this code. Certain tracking functions will require more code, which can be added within curly braces. For example, the purchase function requires the additional parameters, currency and value. These parameters can be implemented as follows. If done correctly, when you go to your events manager after someone has made this action, the purchase event will show up. Here is a list of events you may want to track alongside their description and object properties. To see the full list and for more help on standard events, head to the link here. You can also use custom events to track more unique actions on your website. The link on screen can help you with setting these up too. Once your code is set up, here's an example of how it can be used in a real-life scenario. Say you're an online boutique clothing store who wants to boost sales and engage with potential customers more effectively. After setting up Metapixel to track product views, cart abandonment, and purchases, the business owner can now define a few key custom audiences to target in marketing campaigns. The first group are engaged shoppers, users who viewed products but didn't complete purchases. The second group are recent customers, individuals who made a purchase in the last 30 days. The third group are under abandoned cart. These are the users who added items to their cart but left without purchasing. Now that we have identified 3 custom groups, personalized ad campaigns can be created to target each custom audience. These could be retargeting campaigns of ads featuring products recently viewed or left in the cart that encourage viewers to complete their purchases. Or they could be campaigns targeting engaged shoppers with new collections, sneak peeks, or exclusive to encourage repeat purchases. It's important to regularly analyze the performance of ads, conversion rates, and engagement so that you can adjust your strategy based on insights. After looking at the results, your boutique saw conversion rates increase by 20%, indicating more efficient ad spend. Return customers rose by 15%, indicating improved customer retention. Cart abandonment rates decreased by 25%, indicating successful retargeting efforts. While this is just an example, we hope it shows you the potential of Metapixel's abilities to help you to target and connect with both new and returning customers to grow your business and achieve your goals.